Hey starters, Amazon affiliate marketing, a great way to start making money through Amazon without selling any of your own products. And with a traditional brick and mortar business, you'd have a ton of upfront costs, renting out your premises, manufacturing costs to make the product. But with Amazon affiliate marketing, you can start your online business completely for free and start making money straight away. So if you're new to Amazon affiliate marketing, this video is just for you. It's going to break down exactly what Amazon affiliate marketing is, and then I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get your account set up and running with the affiliate marketing program offered by Amazon. And if you stick through to the end, I'm also going to talk to you about some different affiliate programs that make you even more money than you can get through this Amazon affiliate program. So thanks for watching Starting Up. My name's Greg. Last year I made $20,000 through affiliate marketing. This year I'm looking to make closer to $100,000. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to track my progress with that and also learn useful tips along the way that I learn and share back with you. Subscribe to Starting Up. I'm also trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. So if you could subscribe, it's going to help the community hit that goal too. And this video is going to be all about how you can make money through Amazon with Amazon affiliate marketing. But before we get started, let me know which website you think is got the most potential for making money online through. Amazon or eBay? Write either Amazon if you think Amazon or eBay if you think eBay in the comments below. So what is Amazon affiliate marketing and the Amazon affiliate program? Well, basically, the affiliate program is a program Amazon offers you so that you can partner up with Amazon and start making money through them. And how that affiliate program works is Amazon is going to give you special links to their products that you can use to share with people you know, people in your audience. And if your audience buys a product from using your special link, Amazon is going to pay you a commission for encouraging that sale. So basically you become a promoter for Amazon. You partner with Amazon and promote their products, and when someone buys a product through your promotion, Amazon can track that back to you and reward you for that. And the beauty of that special link that Amazon is going to give you through its affiliate program is, one, it can be tracked back to you so they know the correct person to pay for that sale, and two, the links last for 24 hours. So if someone clicks on your link and goes on Amazon now, decides not to buy and closes Amazon, but then goes back on in 12, 14 hours time and makes a purchase, then you're still gonna make money for that purchase. And also, if someone uses your link to go to Amazon and say they go to a single product, so they go to a football, but then when they're browsing Amazon, they decide they want to buy a television. So they buy a television instead. You're going to get a commission from that purchase as well. So it doesn't just have to be on the individual product that you send someone to Amazon for. As long as it's within that 24-hour window, Amazon is going to give you a commission on any products purchased within that time. So the Amazon affiliate program and doing affiliate marketing for Amazon is a brilliant way to start making money online quickly. You can put those special links that Amazon gives you on your blogs. If you've got a blog, you can put them in the description of YouTube videos like this video. You can put them on your social media profile. There's so many places online where you can share your affiliate links and start making money through Amazon when people purchase products on the website. So before I show you exactly how to get your account set up with the Amazon affiliate program and start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, if you want some ideas where you can share your affiliate links once Amazon gives you those links, then you should go to my website and download my free PDF where I've explained 3 free areas that you can put your links online and start making money completely for free with Amazon affiliate marketing. So head over to my website, the link's in the description, pop your email address in when you press this button here, and I will email you this PDF telling you 3 free methods you can use to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing straight away with no upfront cost. So how to set up your Amazon affiliate account. Let's jump into my computer and I'll walk you through that now step by step. So we're on the Amazon.com homepage. To become an affiliate and get access to the affiliate program, you're going to want to scroll right down to the bottom and click this link here, Become an Affiliate. And you're going to get taken to this page, the Amazon Associates, which is the Amazon affiliate program. And if you scroll down here, you know it's got the easy steps here. You join the program, you advertise Amazon's products, and you start earning. And you can earn up to 10% commission for different products that you promote. So the way you join the program is you're going to press this big button here, And it's going to ask you to either use an Amazon account you've already got and attach the affiliate marketing part to that account, or create an account from scratch if you don't already have an Amazon account. So I've already got my Amazon account set up. So for demonstration purposes now, I'm going to make a new one just to walk you through the whole process, because if I use my own account, it would skip some steps. So let's just create a completely new account now. And here you're going to choose your details like name, email address, and that stuff. Okay, cool. So once you put your name, email address, and password in for your new account, it's going to ask you for some details. So first off, payee name. So this is the name that's going to appear on your checks when Amazon starts sending you checks for the commission you've earned on those sales. And it says here it needs to be exactly as it should appear on the check. So I want my name to be Greg Preece on my check, so I'll put that in there. Then you're going to do things like here, like pop your address in, so I'll just fill that quickly. Okay, so when you put your address details in, your phone number, it's going to ask you who is the main contact on this account. Is it you, or are you making this account for someone else? It's going to be you, so just leave the top button clicked and then press next. And then it's going to suggest the complete address. If you've not put the address in properly, just skip past this. Cool, and this is an important part. It's going to ask you to put your website information into the application. So this is basically that Amazon wants to know where you're going to be sharing the links and making the commission. So have you got a blog you're going to be putting the links onto, a social media account? So here you're going to want to share any areas that you're going to be putting your affiliate links on. So for me, I put my affiliate links in the videos on this YouTube channel starting up. So I'm going to go over to YouTube, get my URL from my YouTube profile and pop it into here. So on the next screen, it's just going to add this little question here, that are your websites only directed at children lower than 13? Because Amazon doesn't want you selling products to kids lower than 13. My website, my YouTube channel is for would-be entrepreneurs, so I'm going to press no, then I'm going to press confirm, and it's through to the next screen. So then it's going to ask you for your associate's ID. So, you know, the ID that you want to be recognized by. So I want it from this YouTube channel, so I'd say starting up. That's the ID I want to use that's attached to my account. What are my websites about? Then you're just going to type in exactly what your blog or your social media profiles are about. So business tips. What topic best describes your website? So I'll just choose some things for mine, but obviously you're going to customize this for your own account. So you've got the primary topic that you talk about, and then the secondary, education. So I've gone for business as the primary, education as second. What type of items do you intend to promote through your websites? So for me, it's probably going to be books, digital downloads, because software, that's probably really it. And what type are your websites? So for me, it's going to be a content or niche website, because I speak about the passive income niche, so it's content around that niche. But you might want to choose, if you've got like a shopping website or a coupon website, you're going to choose accordingly. My secondary type, I don't really have a secondary type, so I'm going to leave that blank. How do you drive traffic to your website? So how do people find you? So for me, people find my YouTube channel through the YouTube search, so search engine optimization. I sometimes share it on my social networks as well. So for me, those are the only two ways people really find me. If you're doing things like paid search, I've got an email list, so I'll click email. But if you're doing other things like paying to appear on Google or paying to appear on Bing or any other search engines, you might want to click that, you know, or click accordingly to your own situation. So this question is asking you how you already make money from your websites. So I'm going to say I get display advertising for the adverts that YouTube puts before my videos. You know, you're going to choose whichever one suits you. Secondary, I don't really have any secondary options, so I'm going to leave that blank. How do I normally build links? So I do my links manually. So this is just asking you, do you have a CMS, content management system? So that's like WordPress, anything you use to have you build your website, so maybe Shopify or Wix. Do you make it from scratch with the HTML, or do you type things out manually in a text editor like Notepad, etc.? I make my videos manually, so I'm just going to press manually, but I don't think that's a really important question. How many unique visitors does your website get every month? This is going to be really important, because this is going to basically tell Amazon how valuable it's going to be to have you as a partner. So the higher the number here, the better, I'd say. You know, and you might want to go on the higher end of your estimates than the lower, if you know what I'm saying. So for me, my YouTube videos get between 50,000 and 500,000 views a month, so I'm going to click that one. Primary reason for joining the program, I want to make some money, so to monetize my site. How do you hear about us? Well, You might be hearing about it from me from this video, so word of mouth. I heard about it from word of mouth as well, so I'm going to press word of mouth. And then obviously just type in the capture stuff at the bottom to go through to the next screen. Okay, and that is it. You are done. You're now at the verification screen, so you just got to pop the phone number in here that you want Amazon to call so that you can verify this in real time. Then it's going to ring your phone, give you a code, and then you basically just put the code that it tells you on the phone back into the website and press submit, and you're going to be all basically set up and verified. And you're good to go. You're going to be verified then by Amazon. You're going to have a portal, so a account that you can log into in the Amazon Associates area of Amazon, and there you're going to be able to get your links and you're going to be able to track your sales. So once you've got set up with the Amazon affiliate program, how do you get your affiliate links and start making those sales, making those commissions on the sales that you're encouraging? Well, I'm going to show you that now. So we're going to jump back into the computer, and we're now at the stage where, you know, I've done the whole application process. I've been given my Amazon affiliate account, so I'm a part of the Amazon Associates program. And what I've done is I've logged into my Amazon Associates account on my Google Chrome browser, and then I've gone back home to the Amazon.com homepage. So while being actively logged into Amazon with my Amazon account that is attached to the Amazon Associates account, so my Amazon affiliate marketing account, I've jumped back over to the normal Amazon site. So I've come away from that little side area and I'm back on the main Amazon website. And the way I'm going to get my link is I'm going to have in mind the product that I want to promote already. So let's say I want to promote a PS4. I'm going to type in PS4 and then just find a console that I can promote. So we're going to go here, PS4 Slim console. And once I've clicked on this product, so I'm on the product page of the product that I want to promote with affiliate marketing, what you're going to do is, because you are logged into Amazon Associates, you're going to have this bar at the top of Amazon that you don't normally get, because it knows that you're logged in, you're an affiliate marketer for Amazon, and this is what you're going to use to get your unique links that you can use to promote the products. So I've gone onto the PS4 page, I'm logged in, so I've got my bar at the top, and all you're going to do is click this button here, get link, and it's going to give you your Amazon affiliate marketing special link unique to your account in this window. So you're just going to copy this link here, and then I'm just going to press paste in there to show you it's been copied. So yeah, whenever you want to promote this PS4 or whatever product you've chosen, you've got your unique link copied. This is the link you need to share with your audience. So I might decide now to go to my Facebook wall and tell people I've just bought a PS4, I'm having so much fun with it. Sony have really excelled with their latest product. If you want to buy it from Amazon, you can grab it here, and then I put the link at the bottom of my post. Anyone that buys the PS4 through Amazon using my link, I'm going to get a nice commission from this sale. So it's a great opportunity because you can use branded, trusted products like Sony, like this, and people aren't going to be worried or concerned that they're getting scammed or anything because they're buying the product through Amazon, they're buying a branded product, so they're far more likely to make the purchase, which is going to result in you making commission. So that is it. That is how easy it is to get up and running with affiliate marketing. We've covered what the Amazon affiliate program is. We've covered how to set up your Amazon Associates account so that you can get your affiliate links. And then once you've got your account, we've covered how to get your link for your individual products that you want to promote. It's as easy as that to get up and running with Amazon affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to talk to you in a second about one of the only downsides with the affiliate program. Before I do that, I just want to ask you a question. Like, did this video, would you find it useful? Did it make sense to you? Have you got any questions about the Amazon affiliate program? If you do, just let me know in the comments below and I'll try and help you out as best as I can. So the downsides of the affiliate program, it's a great way, you know, for beginners to start making affiliate commission. You've got a trusted branded website and branded products. It's one of the most likely ways you're going to be able to make a sale online. But there is one potential downside to using the program, and that is the small commission. You can see on the Amazon Associates page here, you can get 10% from advertising some products. You can get 8%, you can get 5% here on digital music. You can get 8% on Kindles. So the commission Amazon pays you, it floats around the 6 to 8% on average across the site. It depends on what products you promote, but its average is really about 6 to 8%. But if you are an experienced, like, master affiliate marketer, these commissions are going to be far too low for you. You know, say you're promoting a product that's $10 and you only get paid 7% commission. You're only going to make, what's that, 70 pence from that sale. Ooh. It's not much money to make for a sale. You need to make so many recommendations, encourage so many sales to get that 70 pence into a substantial amount of money that you can actually make a living off. So what the master affiliate marketers do is they find products and affiliate programs that offer way higher commissions. So they're either much higher price, so they're promoting products that are like $1,000, $2,000 and making 7% off that, or they're getting higher commission. So I make commission from one product that pays me 200%. So I promote a subscription package where the person pays every month, and I get paid 200% of a monthly subscription. So I basically get the first 2 months monthly subscription for that product, I get paid myself. And it's a $29 a month monthly payment, so I get $58 for every time I recommend that software. So if you're just getting started, Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to get started. Super simple to set up like I've shown you in this video. But if you want to take affiliate marketing to the next level and take it more serious, you're going to want to explore different affiliate programs, different niches that you can look at and cover and make content around to make big money. Now you should subscribe to this channel because those more lucrative affiliate programs is what I'm going to be talking about in the future. So you're going to be getting value there from this channel. But yeah, you want to be learning and educating yourself about how to make bigger amounts of money from affiliate marketing. But yeah, I hope you found this video useful. I'm going to end it there before it gets to a super long video. I could talk about this topic for a long time, but just make sure to subscribe to the channel starting up for more affiliate marketing tips like this. This is the 4th in the beginner affiliate marketing training series I'm doing every Monday. There's going to be probably another month or two's worth of content around affiliate marketing. So make sure to subscribe, give this video a like. It really helps me to get noticed on YouTube, and tick the notification bell next to the subscription button just so you get notified every time I launch a new video. As you're leaving anyway, make sure to follow my Instagram account at startingup for daily updates and daily valuable passive income tips. Any questions, like I said before, leave them in the comments below. And I think that's it. So I'm going to say bye. Have a good one, guys.